Here I have BLACKVIEW A70, and today I'm going to show you how to clear browsing data from this device. So firstly you have to open your internet browser, then tap here, go to its history section, select clear browsing data, then select time range for which you want to delete your history. It could be last hour, last day, last week, last month, or all time. Then select data formats which you want to delete. It could be browsing history, cookies inside data, cached images and files, and then just tap clear data. Clear. And as you can see, history is erased. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.